turn the pages of your book in silence, coffee cold beside a half-eaten snack. I ask you questions, you answer sideways, smile retreating like it's never coming back. Your dreams curl like smoke above me, your feet